Good morning. This is our last day. This is our last breakfast as well. After we finish breakfast, we will be packing our bags and heading to the airport. It's sunny day today. We've been here for 5 days and we never tried swimming on the beach.
Meanwhile,
What's that? Can you speak in English and talk about this because my voice is messed up. I can't talk. Can you just like talk about it?
Hindi ko alam ang English ng taho.
It's just a tofu dessert. Tofu dessert.
Tofu.
Soya dessert. Soya bean. I don't know.
Just say this is one of the Filipino desserts taho. I'm not sure why it's called in English, but we call it taho.
See? PG is better. Just say it. Do it now. Do it now. Action.
This is a Filipino dessert and
It's cold.
it's called Wiggle Wiggle. And it's wiggling.
And it's purple.
Yeah, it's purple. Yeah, it's ube.
Oh, awesome. Okay. Guys, apologize for my voice. It's because yeah, my throat is still recovering from the night out. So I apologize if I sound like this. Anyway, he's my brother. He'd like to share us some of his Philly jokes, shall I say, or he'd like to share us about this Philly accents that he's kind of not learned, because you do speak like that, don't you?
In my dreams, I went to New York.
Yeah.
You know, there's so many blocks in New York. You know,
Yeah.
I walk 1 block, I'm tired. I walk 2 blocks, forget it. There's too many blocks in New York.
Black, you mean block? Blocks. Okay, guys. He meant blocks.
I'm really good at packing. You know?
Yeah, packing.
I like packing, that's my job. You know, if they send me animals, I pack it. If they send me refrigerator, I pack it. Even a small bag, I pack it. I'm very big at packing.
Packing.
Number 1.
Okay, he meant
No.
packing, guys.
There are 2 types of job.
Yeah.
There's an above job
Above.
and a below job.
Yeah.
No? I always tell people with no money, I go down in my knees and tell them, I will give you many below jobs.
Oh my god, seriously. Below jobs.
Hey guys, this is our last breakfast. We will be leaving this place around 11 a.m. This is ube taho, beef tapa. I have ham here, bangus, and then kung pao chicken, omelette, and then cappuccino. That's my last breakfast here in Coast.
Yeah.
Hey guys, it's almost 11. We already packed our things. Look at this. Our pickup time is 11 and we are heading back to the airport in Caticlan. And after that, we will be waiting in NAIA airport for 1 hour and then transferred to another plane going to Legazpi. To all my cousins, uncle and aunts, I will be seeing you in a few hours. See you guys. You talk, we listen. What happens in Boracay stays in Boracay. The hotel is taking care of our transfer. Riding a speedboat again. Hey guys, we are heading to NAIA airport and Joan is worried because we have only 1 hour to our connecting flight and we are a little bit nervous and let's see what happens. Okay, so our flight were cancelled because Mayon volcano is in Legazpi City erupted just today, so we were very unlucky in our uncle's house. We can't go there. There's an ash fall. Yes?
Ticketing office na.
Ticketing office. A refund. Thank you.
Okay na yung refund.
Oh, yeah, okay, I'll refund siya. So there's an ash fall. So we can't film because majority of the tourist places were covered with ash falls. So we have no choice but to find a place.